I stand corrected. I have found it. Look at the Adidas shirt. It does say F-150. They are proud of this thing. Let me show you the mirrors. Hello. The wiper blades. Move them. First, get a step ladder for you shorter people. Reach over, pull it, squeeze, and pull down. There you have it. Isn't that easy? Then you swap her, and you snap it back. Do not let it slam. Let's go see what's on the other side. Yes. I couldn't imagine why it would be different. Squeeze inward and push down. Yep, same way. Pull out. 9 months later, you ain't got to worry about it. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.